What happens when a school is built around the child and not the other way around? This is what it looks like. Students who feel seen, safe, and supported. Nestled in the serene hills of San Juan del Sur, where nature and intentional design meet, Tambran is a place where every detail serves the child, mind, body, and self. In our classrooms, students ask questions, discover new interests, and build real skills. They explore, they create, they connect with the world around them, the trees, the breeze, the ocean on the horizon. And when they play outside, well, that's learning too. Our teachers don't just deliver content, they nurture growth, spark curiosity, and foster the kind of resilience that comes from being truly known. This is a community rooted in curiosity, courage, and compassion, where effort drives success and every challenge is a stepping stone. Educating the whole child for the whole world.